So I've just solved a problem and I'd like to show you how to grab the progress graph for your problem now. And often when I assign CodingBat problems to you, I'm going to ask you to um, screenshot your progress graph and your progress graph and send that to me. So uh, after you have this all greens here, or even if you decided to stop working on a problem and you're not all green there, if you scroll down beneath the test case table on the right hand side here, you'll see a link to your progress graph for this problem. So click that and it shows you your progress graph over here. This is an interesting way to look at your progress through through solving a problem, right? So it gives us a timestamp here and a little timeline from left to right every time you ran the code. And so you can see this first time we got about half of our test cases were green, and then we got an error, and then a little more of our test cases were green. We have a little bit of wait time as we were working on updating our code, and then we got all green test cases here. So this is a good progress graph, right? It shows some work through the problem. It's rare, maybe in some of the simpler problems in CodingBat, you'll get straight green, just one green bar right away because you solved it all. You did it correctly the first time. But that's rare, particularly as you get into complex CodingBat problems. And so this is the type of progress graph that shows good work on a problem, and so this is the type of progress graph that I'm looking for. All green progress graphs, a little suspicious, right? Nobody gets their code right first time all the time, and so this is leads to the second reason that I asked to see your progress graphs. If you Google CodingBat solutions, you'll find all sorts of solutions on the internet, right? For these, there's no secret there. And so this shows your time spent on a problem and your progress up and down as you get through a solution on a problem, just to keep you accountable for actually doing the thinking work on the problem yourself. So stay away from those solutions online. Sometimes I may ask you to go and look at one of those directly to evaluate if it's a good solution or not. There's tons of different ways to solve these problems. The best way to do it, though, is what I show in my walkthrough videos for you, where you're really noodling through the problem yourself. Okay, so in this video you saw how to grab your progress graph for a problem. I'll often ask you to just screenshot that and paste it in for me. Okay, bye.